Go. First move. First move, Eric. Go. Back. Let's go.
Get up, Reagan! Sink your hips!
Eric.
Sink your hips, Parker! Sink your hips!
Can't lock your head.
Sink your hips!
Hey, ankle tight waist.
Up on the whistle. On the whistle, Parker. On the whistle.
Go. Up, 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 up. Down, breaking down, breaking down.
Up, Parker. Sink your hips! Sink your hips! Spin! Come on, Eric. Get a takedown.
Now take it down. Eric.
Beaver Creek, Little Miami, Mat 1.
Hey. Do not let him hold. Hips up. Let go of the head and get your hips up. Roll through it. Half, reverse around the head. Get behind, Eric. Cradle it up. What are you doing out front?
Get on his back.
Get your hips.
Get on his.
Cradle it. Cradle it up. Pull him on the mat.
The 8-pound weight class from Little Miami and Beaver Creek to Chattanooga today.
Eric, gotta put him on his back. Don't get up on the head. You're getting too high. Break him down, cradle him up. Get your hips up. Hit it. Head to the side. Head to the side. Lift it. Lift it. Eric, keep locking your hand. You got plenty of time. You got those guys, get your hips up. You're laying down on the mat. Peterson. Other leg. Power hand. Power hand. Get your hips up. hand control, back out.
Did the ref against you?